Assalamu alaikum students. Now we are starting the indices and standard form worksheet. It has all the questions from the last 10 years. Write the number in standard form. So there is a decimal at the end. So we move that decimal to the left. So it will become 4.5 cross 10 raised to power. How many decimals we moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 10 raised to power 8. Now next part, giving your answer in standard form. So when you will divide two standard form, you simply divide the numbers and deal with the powers. So how to divide 1.5 with 5? You know it very well already that 1.5 over 5 is 0.3. Let me tell you how. So you can treat 1.5 over 5 as, let's multiply it with 10. So 10 over 10. So it will become 15 over 5 times 10. Now 5 will be cancelled out with 15, so it will become 3 over 10. So 3 over 10 is just 0.3. So it will be written as 0.3 cross 10 raised to power 5 minus minus 5. So 0.3 cross 10 raised to power 10. Now move this decimal to the right. You know that if you move decimal to the right, you write power -1, okay? So 3 cross 10 raised to power 9. This is your final answer. Question 2, write the number in standard form. So it will become 5.13 cross 10 raised to power. How many decimals we move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 digits. So we will write 5. Next, you now multiply the two standard forms. It is so simple. 4 times 6 is 24. Then cross 10 raised to power -5 minus 4. You simply add both powers. So 24 further can be written as 2.4 cross 10 raised to power 1 because we are moving decimal to the left. Then cross 10 raised to power 9 was already there. So 2 raised to 2.4 cross 10 raised to power 1 plus minus 9, that is -8. Question number 3. 3 square is 9, 3 is 3, 3 raised to power 1 is 1. So the answer is 13. So with negative power, if you turn the fraction, so it will become 3 over 4 with power 2. So then further split this power 3 square over 4 square. It can be written as 9 over 16. Simplify this. So in this question, you split this power on 1 over 16 and y raised to power 6. So y raised 16 raised to power 1 over 2. It means it's a square root of 16. So you know it very well. That what is square root of 16? It is just 4 and then it is y raised to power 3 because 6 will multiplied with 1 over 2. So it will be 6 over 2, that is 3. Moving on to question 4. So this will become 1.86 cross 10 raised to power. We are moving decimal to the right side. So if we move decimal to the right side, we write power negative. So it is -4 with negative. Next, you have to take, it's a wonderful question. It's a wonderful question. Now take a square of t. So t आपको दिया हुआ, आपने square लेना है ना. So you will write 8 cross 10 raised to power 8 and then a whole square. So split this square on 8, so it is 64. cross 10 raised to power 8, sorry, 16. 8 twos are 16. And then 64 can be written as 6.4 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 16. So the answer is 6.4 cross 10 raised to power 17. Next, t minus s. So how to add or subtract two standard forms? So t is given 8 cross 10 raised to power 8 minus s is 1.3 cross 10 raised to power 7. So you have to make both powers equal. So split this power 10 raised to power 8 in 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 8 minus 1.3 cross 10 raised to power 7. Now further write 8 times 10 80 cross 10 raised to power 8 minus 1.3 cross 10 raised to, oh my god, it is not 8, it is 7. Now take 10 raised to power 7 common. So 80 minus 1.3. So what is 80 minus 1.3? 78.7 cross 10 raised to power 7. Now it is not in standard form because in standard form, this number has to be less than 10. Okay, so this number is not less than 10. What we will do? We will make it less than 10. How? Simply move the decimal to the left side. So if we move decimal to the left side, you know it very well that we write 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 7. So that's the answer. Moving on to question 5. 3 with negative 2 will be 1 over 3 square, which is 1 over 9. 125 can be written as 5 cross 5 cross 5, which is 5 raised to power 3. 3 will be cancelled out, so you are left with 5 square, that is 25. So the next question is, before solving or before you split this power on everything, it's better to cancel everything inside the bracket. So 2 over 18 becomes 1 over 9. And further, इसमें कुछ छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स हैं वो आप अलग से समझ लें, बट इट्स बेटर कि आप क्वेश्चन के अंदर वो ना करें. लेट्स से इफ यू लुक एट a square over a4, you know you know the rule. You bring this power in the numerator, so it will become a raised to power negative 2. Further it will become 1 over a square. It means इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 over a square. Further you can see b5 over b. So b5 over b can be written as b5 minus 1, which is b4. You can ask me, sir, why did you write 1 over a square? Why not a raised to power minus 2? So आपको पता होना चाहिए स्टूडेंट्स कि आप ट्राई करते हो कि जो पावर है वो पॉजिटिव रहे. ओके, इफ यू हैव सम नेगेटिव पावर इन द आंसर, जस्ट राइट दैट पावर इन पॉजिटिव. ओके, ट्राई योर बेस्ट. तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दीज स्टेप्स इन अवर माइंड, और वहां पे हम जस्ट इसको डायरेक्ट लिखेंगे. तो क्या होगा? 2 over 18 is just become 9 a square and ऊपर आएगा b raised to power 4, 1 over 2. That's it. Now further split this 1 over 2 on everything. So what is 9 raised to power 1 over 2? It is square root of 9. So it will become b square, which is 4 over 2, and then square root of 9, which is 3. So b square over 3a. That's it. Moving on to question 6. 27 can be written as 3 raised to power 3, and square root can be written as 1 over 2 is equal to 3 raised to power k. So 3 raised to power 3 over 2 is equal to 3 raised to power k. Bases are same, powers are equal. Next, you will split this fraction, turn this fraction. So 1 over 4 becomes 4 over 1 with positive power, because the sign of the power will change if you turn the fraction. So 4 over 1 is just 4. So further write 4 as 2 square, and then whole 3 is equals to 2 raised to power k. So 2 raised to power 6 is equals to 2 raised to power k. Bases are same. Write k is equal to 6. 9 square is 81 minus 1 because 9 raised to power 0 is 1. So it is 80. 9 raised to power negative 1 over 2 means 1 over 9 raised to power 1 over 2. It is 1 over 9 square root, which is 1 over 3. Moving on to question 8, write this in standard form. So move this decimal to the right. So 1.2 cross 10 raised to power. If you move decimal to the right, you write power negative 4. Next we have subtract these two standard forms. So how to subtract two standard forms? Cross 10 raised to power 6 minus 2.1 cross 10 raised to power 6. So 5.5 times 10 is 55 cross 10 raised to power 6 minus 2.1 cross 10 raised to power 6. Now take 10 raised to power 6 common. So 55 minus 2.1, which will be 52.9 cross 10 raised to power 6. Now 52.9 is not in standard form. So bring this decimal to the left side. So it will become 5.29 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 6 already there. So it can be further written as 5.29 cross 10 raised to power 7. Question 9. So it is 8 x raised to power 6 y raised to power 3 divided by 6 x raised to power 4 y raised to power 4. So 8 over 6 cancel out, 4 over 3, x raised to power 6 minus 4, and then y raised to power 3 minus 4. It can be written as 4 x raised to power 2 over 3 y raised to power minus 1. But as I said, never give answer in negative powers. So bring this negative one in the denominator in the final step. So it will become 4x square over 3y. That's it. Question 10. So a raised to power 2x can be written as ax whole power 2. So 5 square, 25. A raised to power negative x means 1 over a raised to power x. So it means 1 over 5. Write the number 360 million in standard form. So how to write this in standard form? So 1 million means 6 zeros. Okay, 6 zeros. So 360 million means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. So if you write this in standard form, it will be 3.6 cross 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8. 3.6 cross 10 raised to power 8. Now you have two standard forms, you have to multiply them. So 5 cross 10 raised to power 9 क्रॉस अभी हम ऐसा क्वेश्चन एक करके आए थे. So 5 times 9 is 45 cross 10 raised to power 9 actually becomes minus 16 for just for 1 mark. So 45 cross 10 raised to power 16 minus 9 is minus 7. Okay. Then 45 is not in standard form. Let's write 4.5 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power minus 7. So the answer is 4.5 cross 10 raised to power minus 6. Square root of q. Where is square root of q? Square root means 1 over 2. Okay. So 9 cross 10 raised to power minus 16 whole power 1 over 2. So you know that if you split this 1 over 2 on 9 cross 10 raised to power minus 16 with 1 over 2, it will become 9 raised to power 1 over 2 means square root of 9. That is 3 cross. It becomes 10 raised to power minus 8 because 16 over 2 is just 8. That's it. Moving on to question 12. 3 raised to power 3 is 27 minus 1. So the answer is 26. Next, it is a similar question. आप क्या करेंगे? खुद से solve करें. So आप क्या करें? It becomes 9a with power 3 minus 5, which is minus 2, and then b square over 16 raised to power 1 over 2. But before writing power 1 over 2 on everything, it's better to bring this a square in the denominator. Okay, just to make it positive. Just to make it positive. Okay, now split this 1 over 2 on each and every term. It will gives you 9 raised to power 1 over 2. Students, you don't need to mention this step. Okay, चलिए इसके बाद हम शॉर्टकट कर लिया करेंगे ना, ये स्टेप हम नहीं किया करेंगे. सो 3b over 4a. That's it. 3b over 4a is my final answer. Question 13. The table below shows the approximate population of some countries in 2016 and their land areas. ठीक है? Brazil, Greenland, Hong Kong, India, and Nigeria, their populations are given along with the land area in kilometers. So, square kilometers. The population of India was approximately this. In the table, India's population is missing. In the table above, complete the row for India, write the number in standard form. So guys, first of all, you will write this 13, so many zeros with 1.3 cross 10 raised to power. Let's count the digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1.3 cross 10 raised to power 8. 1.3 cross 10 raised to power 8 is the standard form. Next, we have calculate the total land area of India and Nigeria. India and Nigeria, total land area mean this plus that. Okay, you have to add India and Nigeria's total areas and give your answer in standard form. So what was the total area of India? It was 3.3 cross 10 raised to power 6. Plus, what was the total area of Nigeria? It is 9.2 cross 10 raised to power 5. So how to add two standard forms just to make their power same? So you will write 3.3 cross 10 raised to power 5 plus 9.2 cross 10 raised to power 5. So 33, and then take 10 raised to power 5 common. 33 plus 9.2. Okay, so it is 42.2. 42.2 cross 10 raised to power 5. So it becomes 40. it becomes 44.22 cross 10 raised to power 6. 4.22 cross 10 raised to power 6. Which country in the table has the smallest population per kilometer, per square kilometer? Okay, a population per square kilometer. How to write that? So it means you will divide population divided by the area. And whatever the answer, वो कह रहे हैं smallest answer किसका होगा? Who has the smallest answer? So calculator is not allowed. First of all, just look at these numbers. Just look at these numbers. They are all up to one decimal place. They are all up to one decimal place. So agar, if they have all the 10 powers, so you can even tell me which number is bigger number, okay? Just look at the numbers. So we can compare these numbers because they are all one decimal places. So we can simply look at the powers. Okay? And this number is greater than this one. This number is greater than that one. Just look at the powers. Okay? So we can compare them. अच्छा, अब हमें करना क्या है? अब अपने पॉपुलेशन को डिवाइड करना है एरिया पे. ठीक है? But do not divide the numbers because this question has only 1 mark. Do not divide the numbers. Just divide their tens, okay? Because 2.1 divided by 8.5 doesn't matter because they are both one decimal place. So we are only interested in the powers of 10 for 1 mark, just to earn 1 mark, okay? So 10 raised to power 8 divided by 10 raised to power 6 is going to give me 10 square, okay? Then 10 raised to power 4 divided by 10 raised to power 6 is going to give me 10 raised to power minus 2. 10 raised to power 6 divided by 10 raised to power 3 is going to give me 10 raised to power 3. 10 raised to power 8 divided by 10 raised to power 6 is going to give me 10 square. Although we have to divide 2.1 over 8.5, 5.6 over 2.2 और वो आपने यहाँ पे लिखना है, ठीक है? But let me tell you a short way to give the answer. 10 raised to power 8 divided by 10 raised to power 5, which will gives me 10 raised to power 3. They were saying who has the smallest value. So look at these numbers. Which one is smallest number? This has the negative power, okay? So negative 2 means it's a small number. So who has the smallest population per square kilometer? Greenland. Who has the smallest population per square kilometer? Greenland, okay? Just because of this negative power. Just because of this negative power. Okay? So Greenland. Greenland is the answer. 14. Giving your answer in standard form, find the value of n cross 700. N cross 700. So n cross 700, where is n? N is n 2 cross 10 raised to power 8. Cross 700 means if I write 7 cross 100, so you know it very well. Or if I write 7 cross 10 square, it is also obvious. Okay, we can write 700 as 7 times 10 square. Further, you can write 2 times 7, which is 14, cross 700 can be written as 7 cross 100, which can be written. मैं ये steps show नहीं कर रहा क्वेश्चन के अंदर, ठीक है? आपने भी नहीं करना है, आपने इसको मेंटल मैथ में करना है, ठीक है? So 10 raised to power 8 plus 2, which is going to be 10. So it is not in standard form, so 1.4 cross 10 raised to power 11. You know it. You know it very well. So 1 over n. 1 over n means 1 over, what was n? 2 cross 10 raised to power 8. So what I will do, it is 1 over 8, 1 over 2 cross 1 over 10 raised to power 8. Can I write it? Yes. So what is 1 over 2? It is 0.5. What is 1 over 10 raised to power 8? Because in standard form, there is no 10 in the denominator. It's always in the numerator. इसको ऊपर ले आएं. So it becomes 10 with negative power 8. So is it in standard form? No, this is not in standard form because 0.5 is less than 1. So what you will do, you will bring this decimal to the right. So it will become 5 cross 10 raised to power negative 1 because we are writing power on the right side. तो जब power right decimal right side पे shift होता है तो we write negative power, okay? So 10 raised to power 9 minus 9 is my final answer. This part is so wonderful. Look at part B. Find the smallest possible value, positive integer, smallest positive integer m, giving mn is a cube number. बच्चों, what are cubes number? What are cube numbers? ये देखें, 1 cube, it means 1 cross 1 cross 1. 2 cube, it means 2 cross 2 cross 2. It means 1, it means 8. So 3 cube means 3 cross 3 cross 3. तो आपने एक पॉइंट नोट करना है कि जो भी क्यूब नंबर होता है ना, दैट इज 3 टाइम 3 3 टाइम्स, इट विल बी 3 टाइम्स, ओके, मल्टीप्लाई इटसेल्फ. तो 4 क्यूब is 4 cross 4 cross 4. So these are the cube numbers. Please remember that. These are the cube numbers. ठीक है, 1, 8, 27, 64. These are the cube numbers. अब ये बनते कैसे हैं? If you look at 8, तो 8 has 3 twos. If you look at 27, तो 3 कितने हैं? 3 हैं. If you look at 64, so there are 3 fours in 64. So now look at this number. Find the smallest positive integer m, giving mn is a cube number. Let me tell you, what was n? What was n? n क्या था? n was 2 cross 10 raised to power 8. So 2 cross 10 raised to power 8. Up, if you look at this 10 raised to power 8, it means यहाँ पे 3 के कितने पैचेस पड़े हुए हैं? अगर हम इसको लिखें तो I will write 2 cross 10 cube cross 10 cube cross 10 square. Just to tell you, ये देखें, is this a cube number? Yes. Is this a cube number? Yes. Is this a cube number? No. So how to make it a cube number? It's a 10 square. तो आप ये कहते हो कि there should be one more 10 so that it becomes 10 cube. Sorry. It means there should be one more 10 raised to power 1 so that this becomes 10 cube. Okay. So we have 2 already. We have 2 already. So if we write one more time 5, if we multiply it with 5, myself, so this 5 times 2 will become 10. So in the next step, you can write 10 cube cross 10 cube cross 10 cube. Okay. So yes, this was your number n. This was an extra number. Okay. This was an extra number, which I will call it m. So m is going to be 5. Let me tell you one more time. Let me explain this question one more time. देखिए, आपने देखना था कि ये नंबर क्यूब बन जाए इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई इट विद सम m. तो मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि क्यूब नंबर क्या होता है. क्यूब नंबर होता है 4 क्यूब, 3 क्यूब, 2 क्यूब, 1 क्यूब. तो मैंने ना इसको ब्रेक किया 10 क्यूब को. 10 क्यूब को आई ब्रेक डाउन 10 क्यूब, 10 क्यूब, 10 स्क्वायर. दिस वाज क्यूब नंबर, यस. दिस वाज क्यूब नंबर, यस. इसमें ना एक 10 कम था, एक 10 कम था, बट वी हैव 2 एज वेल. वी हैव 2 ऑलरेडी ना. तो मुझे 10 बनाने के लिए व्हाट शुड आई मल्टीप्लाई? व्हाट शुड आई मल्टीप्लाई विद? I will multiply it with 5 myself. So this number 5 can be treated as extra m. So they were saying, tell us extra number. आप किस नंबर से इस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करो, so you get the cube number. So that hidden number is 5. That's it. Question 15, n square. So 4 cross 10 raised to power 5, square on it. So 16 cross 10 raised to power 10. So 16 can be written as 1.6 cross 10 raised to power 11. 1 over n means 1 over 4 cross 10 raised to power 5. So it can be written as 1 over 4 cross 1 over 10 raised to power 5. It can be written as 0.25 cross 10 raised to power negative 5. So this is not in standard form. Bring decimal to the right. So 2.5 cross 10 raised to power minus 1 cross 10 raised to power minus 5. Sometime I write directly, okay, and sometime I explain these basic steps. So anything raised to power 0 is 1. 1 over 3 whole square is 1 square over 3 square, which is 1 over 9. So it is 9 minus 1 over 9. It So 27 over x raised to power 6 with negative power. Turn this fraction x6 over 27 with a positive power. So it will become x6 whole power 1 over 3. 27 whole power 1 over 3. So x6 over 3 is x2. 27 cube root is 3 cube. And then power 1 over 3. 3 will be cancelled out. So you will get x square over 3. Question 17. P times Q. So P times Q नंबर 1 है. अब मैं थोड़ा सा डायरेक्ट करूंगा बच्चों, ठीक है. Now I will do this question in short steps. So 8 cross 10 raised to power minus 6 cross 2 cross 10 raised to power 11. So 8 times 2 is 16 cross 10 raised to power. आप basis same है, you will simply add both powers. So minus 6 plus 11 is 5. So 16 can be written as 1.6 cross 10 raised to power 1 with 5. So it will become 6. P over Q, P divided by Q. 8 cross 10 raised to power minus 6 divided by 2 cross 10 raised to power 11. So 8 over 2 is 4. 10 raised to power minus 6 minus 11. So 4 cross 10 raised to power minus 17. Cube root of P. What does this mean? It means 8 cross 10 raised to power minus 6 cube root. So 1/3. So 8 raised to power 1 over 3 cross 10 raised to power minus 6 whole power 1 over 3. So 8 raised to power 1 over 3 means 2 cube raised to power 1 over 3. You can skip these basic steps. So minus 6 over 3 is minus 2. Okay. So 3 will be cancelled out. So 2 cross 10 raised to power minus 2 is your final answer. 9 raised to power 1 is 9. 9 raised to power 0 is 1. The answer is going to be 10. So 4 can be written as 2 square and whole power n is equals to 2 raised to power n minus 1. 2 raised to power 2n is equals to 2 raised to power n minus 1. Simply equate both powers. That's it. 36 whole 1 over 2, it is simply 6 square 1 over 2. So the answer is 6. 5 minus 2 is 5 whole square, which is 1 over 25. 2 square is 2 square cross 8 can be written as 2 cube and whole power 5 over 3. 3 will be cancelled out. So 2 square cross 2 raised to power 5 is equals to 2 raised to power k. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So 2 raised to power 7 is equals to 2 raised to power k. Bases are equal. K will be 7. K will be 7. Question 20. Write this in standard form. So 8.45 cross 10 raised to power. Moving decimal to the right becomes -5. So P plus Q. Now you have to add these two standard forms. So 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11 plus 9 cross 10 raised to power 12. So 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11 cross 9 cross 10 cross 10 raised to power 11. So 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11. Oh, it's not a cross, it's plus. Plus 90 cross 10 raised to power 11. If you take 10, 11 common, so 90 plus 2.7 is 92.7 cross 10 raised to power 11. If you move decimal to the left, so 9.27 cross 10 raised to power 12. P divided by Q. So 2.7 cross 10 raised to power 11 divided by 9 cross 10 raised to power 12. So 2.7 over 9 can be divided to 0.7 over 9. We'll multiply it with 10 over 10. So 27 over 9 times 10. So 3 over 10, which is 0.3. So 0.3 cross 10 raised to power 11 minus 12. So 0.3 cross 10 raised to power minus 1. So 0.3 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 cross 10 raised to power minus 1 cross 10 raised to power minus 1. Bring this decimal to the right. So power will become -1. So 3 cross 10 raised to power -2. 21. P minus Q. 6 cross 10 raised to power 10 minus 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. So 6 cross 10 raised to power 9 minus 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. So it is 60 cross 10 raised to power 9 minus 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. So 60 minus 5 is 55 cross 10 raised to power 9. So which will become 5.5 cross 10 raised to power 10. PQ. PQ means multiply 6 cross 10 raised to power 10. 5 cross 10 raised to power 9. So 6 times 5 is 30. 10 raised to power 10 plus 9 is 19. So 30 can be written as 3 cross 10 raised to power 20. Simplify this. So first of all, make power positive. Turn this fraction x5, y9 over 9x7, y. Now further subtract this x7 from x5. So it will become x raised to power -2, y raised to power 8 divided by 9. As I said, आप कभी भी नेगेटिव पावर ना लिखा करें. Bring this x square down, but please be inside the bracket. Now split this 1/2 on each term. So it will become y4 divided by 3x. y4 divided by 3x. 3 raised to power minus 2 is just, I would say, 1 over 3 square cross 3 raised to power 4. So it can be written as 3, 4 minus 2, which will become 3 raised to power 2, which will become 9. So 3 minus 3 raised to power 0 is 1. So the answer is 2. So it will become 4 y raised to power. अब basis same है, powers add कर दें, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. So 4 into y raised to power 4, 2 plus 1. So the answer is 4y raised to power 3 divided by 4. Write this number in standard form. So 2.3 cross 10 raised to power negative 4. And then evaluate this. तो अब क्या करोगे? 8 cross 10 raised to power 1 cross 10 raised to power 8 minus 9 cross 10 raised to power 8. So it is 80 cross 10 raised to power 8 minus 9 cross 10 raised to power 8. So 80 minus 9 is 71 cross 10 raised to power 8, which is 7.1 cross 10 raised to power 9. HCF. So how to find HCF from prime factorization? So आप लिखें P is equals to 2 cube cross 3 cross 5 square, and Q is equals to 2 cross 3 square cross 5. So HCF is going to be, आपने करना है, ये आपने smallest power लिखनी है. So 2 has 3 powers. Like 2 has power 3 in P and 2 has power 1 in Q. So in HCF, you will only write power 1. Cross 3 has power 1 in P and 2 in Q. So you will write the smallest power. HCF के अंदर आप छोटी पावर स्मॉलर पावर लिखते हो और LCM के अंदर आप ग्रेटेस्ट पावर लिखते हो. ठीक है? So this will become 2 times 3, 1 cross 5, 1. Okay, so the answer is going to be 30. Express this in standard form. So 4500 can be written as 4.5 cross 10 raised to power 2. No, 3. And then 1000 can be written as 10 cube and then a whole square. So 4.5 cross 10 raised to power 3 cross 10 raised to power 3 2s are 6. So 4.5 cross 10 raised to power 9 is the final standard form. 2.4 over 4 is 2.4 over 4 can be written as 10 over 10. So it will become 24 over 4 times 10. 4 ones are 4 6 are, so 6 over 10, which is 0.6. So 2.4 over 4 is 0.6 cross 10 raised to power minus 8 minus minus 3. So 0.8 cross 10 raised to power minus 5. So 0.6 can be written as 6 cross 10 raised to power minus 1 cross 10 raised to power negative 5. Because if you move decimal to the right, you power negative. That's it. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 square is 9. X cube raised to power 2 is 6. So turn this fraction x cube over 8 with power positive 1 over 3. Now x cube raised to power 1 over 3 and 8 raised to power 1 over 3, we know it very well that it is just x over 2. Because 2 cube is 8, so cube will be cancelled out with 3 and you will get 2 as an answer. So that's it. We will continue from question 28 onwards in the next class. So there will be only 2 classes on past papers, and inshallah in the next class I will completely solve all the questions, okay, from 28 onwards. Okay, students, Allah Hafiz.